to my channel. So as you guys can tell by the title of this video, I will be doing a wig review on a U-part wig by UNICE hair. And if you guys want to see what the hair looks like, then just keep on watching this video. So today I will be showing you guys the U-part wig I got from UNICE hair, just reviewing it, telling you guys how I like it or not. Also, I will be letting you guys know who I chose to give the giveaway to on Cash App. So keep watching this video to the end so you guys can see that. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. Follow me on my Instagram, and we just gonna jump straight into the video. So this is how the package looked. It came from UPS. Y'all, I was so thirsty. I opened it anyways. I opened it before I did the video because I was just so thirsty to see what it looked like. So this is the package it came in. This is how the box look. And the hair came in this bag, but I took the hair out already. It came in this bag. And this hair is 24 inches. I thought I got 26, but apparently I got 24. It comes with this bag with some lashes in it, a wig cap, a scarf, and a little mini wig brush. Let me show you guys. The scarf is, it's a regular scarf you would get from the hair store. And this is how the wig brush looks on the back. This is pretty. These are the lashes. Okay, in the moment we all been waiting for, let me put the hair out. The hair came in this net thing. Look, I opened the package already. I took the hair out already. I was brushing through the hair. It's body wave. I was brushing through the hair, so the waves aren't like all the way there anymore because I was just like doing anything. But yes, this is how it looks. It's pretty. The hair is soft. It's fluffy. This is how it looks on the inside. Got a lot of clips that you clamp around. So I don't know if you guys ever seen a U-part wig or know how to use it, but basically you just cut these two pieces out in the front. Use these clamps right here to clip down on your hair and just leave you some leave out. And that's it. A quick 5 minutes sew in real quick. That's why I got it. I can't wait to wear it. I'm gonna wash it first before I put it in my head. But yes, this is how it looks out the box. Brush some of the curls out. Wish I wouldn't did that, but yeah, the hair is a nice texture. It don't stink. Normally when I buy bundles from online, the bundles usually be stinking. Like, I don't know why, but this don't stink. But I'm still gonna wash it. I'm not gonna style it until I wash it. I also bought me a wig head off of Amazon. I bought me a hot comb. I will show you guys that in a minute. But basically, I was going to buy a frontal wig to wear for my birthday photo shoot, but I'm not even going to get into that because it's a whole bunch of mess and it just did not go as planned at all. So I'm going to be using this U-part wig for my photo shoot. So yeah, I will be going to the salon, getting this installed and styled for me for my birthday photo shoot, or I will be styling it myself on my wig head and then just, you know, putting it on because it's quick, easy, and I just cannot wait to wear it. Like, I just cannot wait to wear it. So this is the package I got from Amazon. It came in this bag. This is a wig head, and it come with this clamp thing. You're supposed to like put it on the table. Then you can style your hair on this on a table or something like that. Also got the hot comb that you plug in. So I'm ready for the wig life. I'm ready. I just gotta find some good hair, start practicing on how to put on wigs and everything. And I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna be out here. Come with an elastic band as well. and it come with a dome cap, sewing needle, and sewing thread. All came with the wig head. Okay, y'all. So my initial review on the UNICE hair U-part wig, I like it. I think the hair is nice. I feel like it's a good investment. Instead of sitting there having to wait to see if you can book an appointment with somebody else and paying a lot of money for a sew-in, when you could just buy a U-part wig, put it on, have you some leave out, and call it a day. 5 minutes sew-in, real quick and easy. I will put the wig on for you guys, but I didn't wash it yet. I want to put it on after I wash it. I'll be coming back to you guys with a behind the scenes video of my birthday photo shoot, and that's when I will be getting this wig installed and styled on me for my photo shoot. It's 2 weeks from today, which is January 13th. So you guys stay tuned for that video if you guys want to see what it looks like. So since it's 2 weeks away from when I will be installing the wig, I will not be styling it today, but I will be showing you guys me washing the hair and seeing if the curl pattern come back after I wash it. The hair is 24-inch body wave hair, and we're just gonna jump straight into washing the hair. Okay, so as you guys could tell, I did just go ahead and wash the wig, so I'm just going to show you guys what it looked like wet. As you can tell in the previous video, it was trying to get like the body wave curls back after I rinsed the conditioner out, but I'm just going to see how it looked now because I wrapped it up in a towel. So I wrapped it in this towel, and this is how it's looking. Look like the body wave is trying to come back. My initial review on this hair is that this hair is good. I used to buy UNICE hair all the time when I was in high school, and I used to get like sew-ins. I used to always buy my bundles from UNICE hair off AliExpress, so I'm already familiar with UNICE hair. But I really love this U-part wig because it's really like a 5-minute sew-in. Like, all you gotta do is clip it on with the clips, braid your hair down, clip it on with the clips, have you some leave out, and you're done. Like, you don't even have to pay for a sew-in anymore. Like, it's a pretty good investment. I feel like it's a pretty good investment, so you don't have to keep paying to get your hair done. But yeah, I feel like the curl pattern is going to come back. I'm not sure, but we're gonna see. Yeah, so I was thinking about blow drying it, but I don't think I want to do that. I feel like it'll mess up the hair or take away from the texture of the hair. So I'm just going to put the wig on my wig head and just leave it there until it completely dries, and then I'm going to put it back up until my appointment So it smells so good. It smells so good. It looks so pretty. Comment down below if you think this hair looks pretty. This hair looks so pretty. It's kind of sort of getting dry already, like on the ends, but yeah, I'm just gonna put it on a wig head and just let it dry like that. Then once it completely dries, I'm gonna put it up until my appointment to get it installed. Okay, y'all, so this is the result after I let the wig dry overnight on the wig head. I did not blow dry it. Unfortunately, the body wave curls did not come back like I thought they was, but the hair is still nice to me and it smells so good since I just washed it, and it looks really shiny. I still think this is some good hair, even though the body wave curls did not come back. But yeah, this is how it's going to stay until my appointment time to get it installed and styled for my photo shoot. So yeah, I was just showing you guys what it looked like dried. So if you guys like this video overall, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, subscribe if you're not already, like and comment on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was just an unboxing and review of the UNICE Hair U-Part wig, 24 inches. I love the wig, I love the hair so far, and I think I will purchase it again, honestly. Yes, also I did choose the 2 people that I'm going to do the Cash App giveaway to, and I'll be linking those 2 people channel down below. Check your Cash Apps after this video. Thank you guys so much for your support, also for sending subscribers my way. I really appreciate it. These 2 people I've seen in my comments multiple times on different videos and liking my videos, and like I said, sending more subs my way. So thank you guys so much for the support of that. I did send both of you guys each $50 because I did say when I got to my 100 sub mark, I was going to be doing a $100 giveaway. So I chose 2 people to give $50 to instead of giving one person 100. So yes, thank you guys so much for your support. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like this hair. I feel like the curl pattern gonna come back and it's gonna be cute. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for my next one, for my behind the scenes photo shoot for my birthday. You don't want to miss it. Hope you guys like this video. I know it was really short. It's not much that I can do with the hair because of the simple fact that I'm using it for my photo shoot, and it's not till 2 weeks away from now, and I don't want to like style it early. It's 2 weeks away. So my initial point of buying the wig was to wear it like daily, but something happened with the other wigs I was trying to get for my photo shoot, so now I'm just left with this one to use for my photo shoot. It's a long story, but yeah, I'm not going to style or anything because it's 2 weeks away from now. But I just want to thank you guys for watching this video, especially if you watched it all the way through. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. Follow me on my Instagram. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.